So I'm slowly painting all the upper part of that. We never got around to that when we built that like 5 years ago. I mean, the wood's getting to look like, you can see how it is there, but finally getting a layer. It's a little difficult because I gotta get that painter's tape on it like that. There were some parts where at first I did try to do without it, but then, and I've been doing it with a hand brush. It's been horrible. But then I started realizing that I can use this little thing. Now, it's like an edger tool. Am I zoomed in too much? Let me see. Yeah. Right now I have it in water, so I can try to reuse it later. But yeah, I had a brush. I just left it in water, and I was able to use it a few days later. If you don't put it in water, it'll get hard like this. Yeah. Some of those are... I'm really tired at the end, and sometimes I just throw them and they get hard. But if you just remember to put them in water, take that a little bit of effort, they're reusable. I even had this filled with a bunch of paint and water, and the water evaporates, the paint just stays in the bottom, and it actually starts like crackling and chipping away. So it's like, you don't even have to like pour it out or anything, just it evaporates. So let's see. So yeah, I tried it at first without the painter's tape, and I got a little paint on it. I started doing painter's tape, and at first and my hands were cramping with the little brush, but then a little slider made it quicker. I was just worried about using it because the corrugated board, that galvanized stuff and the roof, I didn't know if it was gonna go straight, but it did. But I still had to get in there with the brush because the corners, like the very corners, it wouldn't get every little nook and cranny. So but it's better than doing everything with the brush. I did those two. Everything with the brush took a while. That was quicker. So still working on it. And basically I was taking it a segment at a time. Each little square I was doing slowly.